Hi and welcome to another episode of Fitous Thai Kitchen. So today we've got a special rare dish for you called Kra Beung Talay. It's almost like a phyllo pastry with seafood inside, and it's like a fritter. So if that sounds good to you, and you know it does, then stick around after this. So we've got half a tablespoon of sesame oil, half a tablespoon of black pepper, half a tablespoon of Ve Tsin seasoning powder, half a tablespoon of sugar, half a tablespoon of tapioca flour, half a tablespoon of salt, 1 egg, 100 grams of prawns, 100 grams squid, 100 grams of minced chicken, a bunch of coriander, 50 grams of cashew nuts, and a packet of spring roll pastry. Right, in with the squid. Personally, I think this dish comes out better when the ingredients are chopped, but for the sake of speed, we'll use a blender today. And add the prawns, the minced chicken, half a tablespoon of sugar, half a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of Ve Tsin powder, half a tablespoon of black pepper, half a tablespoon of tapioca flour, 1 egg white, half a tablespoon of sesame oil.
Done.
Blend it. You don't want it to be too smooth.
Okay.
That looks okay.
Done.
Okay, let's start with the wraps. These are usually sort of frozen, so allow them to defrost at room temperature first. So peel away all the individual wraps in preparation. Next, crush the cashew nuts. Lay out your wrap. Spread a couple of large teaspoons of mixture onto the wrap. Spread it out to the size of a small plate or bowl. Sprinkle on the crushed cashews. Put your coriander. Place another wrap on top. Gently press it down. Just poke through the side. Trim the excess. Okay, so that's one. You can make as many as you like. Get your oil nice and hot. Gently put this in. Turn these frequently. These until they become golden brown, crispy. Might need to press down occasionally. Place on the side, drain the excess oil. Just cut into segments. And that's it. Alright, so this is all done. Let's try this bad boy out. So you've got sweet and sour plum sauce to serve this with. Incredibly Moorish. This is a good, quick little snack for all the family. Well guys, that completes another video. I hope you all enjoyed that. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell, and we'll see you next week. Take care. Bye.